High five. Well, hey guys, welcome back. Jit's got here, and there's Dad, and he is installing his Christmas gift, which is,
well, taking away the vacuum headlight covers and making them electric.
yep, for Christmas I bought Dad these year one or whatever brand these are, 68 to 9 headlight conversions. My buddy Alex had them for sale, so I said, screw it. Oh, they got glitter all over them still. Yeah, I filled Dad's package full of freaking glitter. It was amazing.
Yeah, he did.
Dad was fabulous looking yesterday. So
Ready to go to the disco.
ready to go to the disco.
Yeehaw.
But you gotta figure out how that box wires up. It's only got 3 wires, so that'll be pretty simple.
Yeah, pretty simple.
Yeah, pretty simple. Ought to
One
be.
of them into the number 1 spark plug wire.
That way your headlights, every time spark plug goes off, that whoop, 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 whoop.
Might wear out after a bit.
Oh, did you already put one in there?
Well, I got it in, just started in there. Turn my light, my Scott Speed Shop light on. It bolted, I mean, it fit right in there, and I just gotta hook this up, which I think I'm gonna need a different screw.
Yeah.
Something, put a little nut on it or something.
A little nylock or something.
Yeah, I could have this.
Well, this is going to save you from having to use all the vacuum stuff.
Right.
Which, our friend William at 383 Charger Mopar Charger 383. William, I can't ever remember your damn channel's, the orientation of your name, but he sent us all the vacuum harness, but now we got this electric headlight conversion. It's going to save us a lot of time, hopefully, if it works.
So now we'll have the complete vacuum motors harness.
We can, yeah,
We can probably do away with.
yeah, we can hook someone else up with all that stuff, whoever needs it. So what do you say we get this shindig on the road? And
Reckon so.
hopefully we can, you know, watch your headlights move up and down without.
I hope my headlights don't, just the covers.
Well, yeah, we don't want the headlights moving. They should stay right where they are.
Right.
Well, let's get to work, Dad.
I've already am. You're the one I'm waiting on.
I was posting videos. How goes the headlight conversion, Dad?
Well, I'm finally getting her figured out.
Yeah.
I need to run that green wire through into my hit dimmer switch.
This goes to dimmer.
Mm-hmm.
Black goes to ground.
Mm-hmm.
And red goes to.
Red's constant power.
Okay.
It's a relay, so you're feeding your relay with switch power, and then this is like what they call a trigger wire.
Yeah, it's switch power.
Well, as soon as I turn the headlights on, that'll get power.
Mm-hmm.
Open them up, and then they got little switches on them that they open up all the way, and then they shut themselves off. And then as soon as you cut the power on the trigger wire, they go, that constant power makes them go back down.
Ah. But everything fitting in here fine?
Mm-hmm.
They literally just kind of bolting in place the stock actuators?
I hate to say it, but I watched a video of a guy doing a Cougar,
Yeah.
and that's where I found out he was using Ford Probe headlight motors.
Huh.
Because they got headlights that come up and down.
Huh.
They use that on Cougars.
Well, and we got your old actuators in case anybody needs them out in the world. These are good. It's funny, these things never really die. They stay good no matter what. Broke the zip tie though. Let's see here.
But I guess the old Cougars were vacuum motors too.
That still works. Yeah, the Cougars were vacuum, I think. But depending on years, not a Ford guy, but
Those are the old ones.
yeah. Well, cool. So my grandpa, Dad's dad, used to have a saying. What was that saying, Dad?
Stay away from your work.
So what's your menagerie there?
Well, I had to get down in here, way down in here, and I had to put a little kink on it, so I had to have a U-joint. So I can get the torque on that little bolt that I want, instead of that stupid battery-powered ratchet and strip it out.
Grandpa's smiling down upon you.
Yeah. Look at there. Oh, yeah. Roses. Oh, yeah, that's tight. And you got the cool flashlight working for us.
Scott Speed Shop. Got our own little flashlights.
They're available for $99.95.
3 payments of $99.95.
3 payments.
Yeah, get one. And if you want to pick your color, that's an additional $10.99.
Battery's not included.
Battery's not included.
Well, I'm getting ready to try to locate a good place for that box.
And drop all your hardware?
Hey there, Washer.
Oh, we'll check in with you in a second when you get all that located. All right, give it a shot. You got one. You got driver's side. Shutting. Alright, that's rough.
Plug it in.
This one was trying to move.
Is it stuck or something?
Do it again. It'll do it if I help it. If I help it, you ain't got a headlight on over here. I don't think you got enough power out to this side.
That's all the same fucking harness. Oh, I pulled the fucking plug off the light.
Oh.
I ain't gonna say that door's moving as free as it's supposed to.
Let's see if it'll shut. Only halfway.
You tell where it's finding up?
I think the door's actually dragging on something. What it feels like. Door feels like it's dragging. Give a little help, it'll do it. I'm gonna finish my oil change. My Dad's gonna fire up the old beast. See if that maybe helps the headlights. Well, that one's still kind of hung up. Still. All right, she's warm now. That's a badass sound. So it worked. Yep. There they are. I don't know if that was the oil I put on there or the adjustment Dad made. I'm gonna go with my oil fixed it.
That's my hell.
See if they'll close. That one hung up a little bit. They open good. Just keep running them through. That one's hanging up on something. Passenger's still hanging up. All right, we're gonna tinker. All right, well, Dad got it figured out. Show him. Cool. Little hitch, but they should. What'd you do, just lengthen them or shorten them?
I lengthened that one, and I put the clip on the other side of the rod, but I don't think I made it.
Yeah.
Lengthened about 3 turns.
Yeah, they're not sitting there trying to open and shut again, so I say you got that one whooped. Sweet. Well, how does it make you feel to have that working, Dad?
That's one step closer to be complete.
Now we've got to convert that entire interior over to white. They put a 4-speed in it.
Yeah, it's the whole 4-speed and the Dana 60 and new springs and
Well, the Dana
color
60,
clutch,
the springs in the Dana will be easy.
pedals, extra pedal in here.
That ain't gonna be hard. I've done all the conversion already once before. Your car will be easy peasy.
Good, you're the guy then.
I will probably do all the work because I do sheet.
Good.
I'm the one here who does sheet metal work, not you or Michael.
Well, all the pedals and all that shit.
I've already set it all up. I got a couple tricks up my sleeve. We're gonna do Jezebel's hydraulic clutch pedal. It should make it a lot more friendly to use.
I missed that.
What'd you miss?
That should have went on the outside of that.
Yeah,
Crap.
it'll be fine. It'll be fine. Well, Dad, what do you got to say to everybody who's watching the video?
I'm saying, I'm glad I didn't start on that rear end today.
Yeah, it's kind of getting a little chilly.
Yeah, I might have to wait till next spring.
Be good
when we do the 4-speed.
Yeah. Well, I think that's going to be a video. A short one, nothing spectacular. Electric headlight conversion is not all that in-depth.
Yeah, but it's a little some bitch.
Yeah, we didn't get too deep into
I
it.
guess it wouldn't be no bigger if you had the dash or grill out.
Yeah. But I mean, it wasn't too bad, I guess. I mean, it's all pretty much plug and play, right?
Yeah.
You got your little box put right there.
I had everything. I run that signal wire down to the dimmer switch. The middle of the power wire on the dimmer switch is where it picks up its signal. That way you can run just your cruising lights or your driving lights without the headlights, the covers opening.
Yeah, that's how it needs to be.
That's what I had to go to the internet and figure out where they put it plugged in at, but it made sense. Dimmer switch has got power there, and it's where it splits it from low to high beams.
Cool. Well, simple enough.
And then I pulled power off of whatever that pink wire was. It was hot all the time. For the power wire for that relay. You gotta have power and you gotta have a signal wire.
I do have a question for you. Why you got a Mopar wedge cover when you don't even have a wedge in here?
Shit happens.
They didn't have Mopar Hemi on the shelf.
That's more rare, I think, anyway. Everybody's got a bunch of Hemi crap.
It's true. Not very often do you see guys bragging about their wedge.
Right.
So I'll tell you what. I'll just take this big old lump of turd out of here from you, and I'll build you a 383 or 440.
This doing fine.
Yeah, but you don't want that gas guzzler. I mean, it doesn't make any sense to have spark plug wires going through your valve covers. I mean, just not a great idea.
I don't leak.
Well, you can't see if it's leaking because it goes straight to the ground. That's the one good thing about a Hemi valve cover. If it does leak, it's not going down the side of the block. It's going straight down.
Yeah, my stern sector ain't all nasty or nothing.
It's probably because you keep wiping it down every time you open the hood.
It's doing fine. It's doing fine. You see where it started?
It starts up pretty good.
10 degrees this morning.
Well, it ain't 10 degrees right now.
No.
It's probably 40 right now.
Right.
It was 50 earlier. Well, I think that's enough rambling, Dad. Appreciate you guys for watching this one. I know it wasn't too terribly exciting, but it was something. Day after Christmas, so. Thanks for watching, guys. Look forward to seeing you in the next one. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.
Happy New Year. Bye-bye.
Yeah, what he said.